Welcome to another skill building treasure hunt podcast for pirates and daughters. Dads doing data. I'm your host, co-host, Ola Vea, Captain Ola Vea, and this is my co-host, Dominic. Today we are going to do this here. I already shared the screen to kind of, show you. As you can see down here, I got it up and running. But once we're starting this up, it might stop running. Yeah. So, Dominic, can you tell us who MartinG is?
Sorry?
Can you tell us who MartinG is?
He's a Norwegian who got lost in Australia.
Yes. Yes.
I don't think there's much else to say about that. Well, yeah.
I know.
Did you have anything else in mind?
Yeah.
He's a developer. He's my brother-in-law.
Yes! Yes, that's right. He might show up.
He might show up, but probably not.
Yeah. Yeah.
I wouldn't put my money on it.
Yeah, no. So, I don't know if you remember, but in 2019, we built this Gatsby thing together on the island in Sweden. It was like a picture book for children.
Yep.
Hey, remember?
Yep.
Yeah. And then, so I have the code for that here.
Mm-hmm.
And there was some stuff going on in Gatsby Node in that project too. And we're not going to look at that now, but later we're going to look at it and see if we can rebuild the thing.
Okay.
Yes. Because I went in and looked at the code and now I understand a little of it. And back then I was like, because I was supposed to be the one building it and you guys were just helping me out.
Yeah.
But I looked at the code now and I'm like, wow, okay, yeah, I really,
Inessa, hello.
Hello, Inessa! Yep. What do you mean watching us from your co-working session? Is it with the Queen? Are you doing co-working with the Queen now? I think so. Oh, he's waving. Okay, wave back now, Tom Eric. Are you ready? Wave. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
All right, so you wrote some code, but you didn't understand it at the time. But now you understand it.
No, I understand some of it.
Okay.
So that's the plan now. I think it's possible to build the same code with in the way that I understand it now.
Okay.
We'll see. It's a long-term project, but we'll start now with the basics here. So it's very funny that Inessa is doing co-working with the Queen because he's actually working in this same repo as we are in here. Because I'm using, this is what you're looking at here on the screen is the rep. I cloned the repo for the workshop that Benedict is doing now with Gatsby functions.
Mm-hmm.
You see it says API here, hello, time travel.js. So I'm using that and just, but we're not going to use any of that stuff now, but hopefully later. Yeah, some other day. But now we're in Gatsby Node. Okay, are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Woohoo!
Okay, so bootcamp. Benedict is here.
What?
Yes.
Oh no, the boss.
Yep.
Oh, we have to behave now.
We're unsupervised.
Oh really?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So we don't actually have to behave, but we must be entertaining.
No conspiracy theories.
That's for sure. Okay, so I'm going to start down here at 0. And
Okay.
yeah.
So what are you doing?
So uh this is create pages is a hook. It's a
Okay.
hook according to RESTBoss, and it's coming from Gatsby, and so we're going to use this here, and we're not using these yet. If I forget to put that back in, we're going to get an error later. So this is it. This is the start. We're going to, at some point, maybe around Christmas, create pages here. So that's what we're doing. We need to take away the. She says, "You pirates need to remember to remove the comments from the screen. It's over the code." Was it actually
We
over
can't
the
have
code?
that.
Probably
It's actually
was.
over the code.
Yeah, the queen has spoken. We shall remove comments. It's you can't do it, America. I'm sorry. So it's always my fault, which is good for you. Okay. If people didn't see the code, then didn't they? Let's do it again. Okay. So as you can see, the code is running under here, and we need to kill it every time and start it again. So, okay, I'll start over. This is a hook here, according to RESTBoss. It comes from Gatsby. They made it for us. It's like Captain Hook, a hook. Okay, I'm saving it. And down here, you see, warning. You need to restart it. Yeah, okay, I'll do that. I'll close it up when we're doing it. Okay, so I made this here down here now, and I'm going up here to create a function. So this is my own little function here. Pirate, use your hook here. And we're going to destructure these here GraphQL and action things, but not yet. So I just save it. And let's take a look at, so this is I restarted this thing here. So this is kind of showing us that it worked the last time. But now when I save again, we'll see if it works again, because what I want is all my own function here inside create pages. So that's why I made it. Okay. Warning, I need to kill the build again. Okay, I'll do that. Like that. Okay. So step 1, we're going to, we're not going to actually talk about step 1. We're just going to do it, and then we're going to jump to step 2, because this is something else. Just doing that like that. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. And then here's step 2. So we're going to get some data in here. Oh, sorry. We're going to get this data in here. I'm just going to check if that stuff I did earlier worked. Yes, it worked. Okay, so I'm not doing anything stupid yet. Here. This is all the data. Yeah. And here it says checking for changed pages. And since we only have 4 nodes here on the side page, I think that, or here checking for changed pages. So we're not actually changing the pages yet, which is good, because we're going to do that around Christmas. Okay, I'll save now, and now stuff is supposed to happen. Wait a minute. No. I think I'll do this first. Oh, that didn't work. We'll try it. We'll just try it and see what happens. Okay, kill the build. Okay. Let's see here. Blah, blah, blah. There. GraphQL is not defined. Yes! I told you this would happen. It's because we don't. So this is actually where we get GraphQL in params. And Vespos says that params is like a placeholder. So it's just a placeholder for this GraphQL and actions that I'm putting in here now. Let's see. GraphQL actions. Yeah. Okay. Warning. You have to restart it. Okay. Yeah. So now we're supposed to see that we get some weird objects in. And but maybe we should try to console log this here. What do you say, Tom Eric?
Do it.
Do it now.
Do it now.
I'll do it now. Have you heard anything from MartinG? No?
No?
What is he doing down there in Australia? Do you know it? What's that? What's that? It's a proof that you're not hearing anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I mean, like I said on Sunday, I think he's renovating his house. He just bought a house.
He's doing that today. Yeah.
Every day.
Hmm.
Every day is my birthday.
Who is that? Who said that?
Jerry Seinfeld said that.
Oh. I love that guy. I'm not going to save that yet because I don't know if it's working, but let's see what we did before I did that. When we built this, blah de blah de blah. Where is the stuff showing up? It's not showing up. So maybe I have to console log it then.
Yes.
I'm not sure.
There's no
Yes.
Sharky. That's not defined.
That's not defined. What is not defined?
The Sharky gingerbreads.
They're supposed to come here.
But it's inside data.
Yeah, you're right. How did you see that it wasn't defined?
There's no declaration for a variable called Sharky gingerbreads. And also nodes, that's an array, and it doesn't have a property called name. That's why you have the thing underneath there, the for each thing.
Oh, we should just do data.
You could just do data.
I'll do that. I felt there was something off about that thing. Okay, kill it again. Good catch, Tom Eric. You did it.
You could also destructure it.
Yeah, no.
But
we're going to go here very soon. This is
Yeah.
kind of the point. We're almost done. I'm just going to take it step by step because look at this. Here you go. So this is a weird data we're getting. Like you said, it's totally an array. Nodes. It's
did you
totally
see
an
it?
array.
There you go.
It's totally an array. Okay. So, okay. So let's finish up. It's going to be done soon. Everybody, don't worry. Okay. Save. Yeah.
So
Ask stuff.
are those Sharky gingerbreads? They're the images that's been uploaded?
Yeah. Good question.
I have no idea what Sharky gingerbreads are.
No. Where's the drawing? I have the drawing somewhere. I don't actually know where it is. But yeah, It is, gingerbreads. It's gingerbreads shaped as sharks with a lot of ginger in it.
Okay.
So I'm working on a story with Lillian about a bunny and a kitten, and they have a bakery. And then the kitten says to the bunny, "Hey, you go make the gingerbreads today, and then sing this song about how you're supposed to make gingerbreads." And yeah, you remember the story?
Oh, I was just laughing at the comment.
This one,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. That's not my fault. My name is great.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I forgot to kill it. Never forget to kill your builds.
But you also have to remove the comment.
That's true. Good, 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 good. When I get to know this StreamYard thing better, do you even see me yet? When I get to know this StreamYard thing better, you will be able to remove the comments.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But I don't
Like
know
the
it.
back office guy.
Yes. Oh my. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I saved this time. We'll see. Look here. I did save. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Don't do that, Gatsby. Come back up. Okay. So this is it.
Okay, so you got the names of all the sharks.
So what I'm doing, you asked me, is this images?
Yeah.
You remember we had the images of the pizzas and stuff last time on Sunday? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not actually that yet, but we will do it. So what I'm basically doing here is I'm saying go get all these sanity pizzas.
Okay.
And the names, and then I'm using the names to name the sharks. You see here? For each shark, name the shark, and then the shark gets, so the shark gets a pizza name. Like this shark, looks like there's many of them, but this shark is called the Pure Necessities. This is Cluck Norris the shark. Here comes Truffle the shark.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing now. But
so the pizza has the image or the shark.
Yeah. So we can do. It's a good question. So we will do that. Let's have a look.
Okay.
Graphical. You can't see it. I now realize, but that's life. Okay. Oh man, I suddenly started hearing myself in YouTube. So I don't want to hear
I have
myself.
that problem all the time.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just gonna go grab my coffee.
You do that. That is good timing. Very good. I'll put.
Yeah.
Yeah. You were very quick. I haven't.
I was very quick. I was too quick. Look.
Okay, are you ready? Let's have a toast. Cheers.
Yeah, you can look at my coffee mug.
Oh, wait, I'll make it big. That's very good. I'll make it big. Are you ready? React Europe. Yes, I love it. Is it like an alternative to the European Union?
Maybe it should be.
Oh, it's a
Dan
conference.
Abramov for president.
Yeah, it's 2019.
Yeah, I wasn't actually there, but some of my teammates at the time went there, and they brought me this back.
This is the Kahoot thing.
No,
No,
this is the gig I had after Kahoot.
I see.
Mimiru.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah, I would like I convinced all like 2 or 3 other guys to join me to go to React Europe, and then I bailed on them, so they had to go without me.
That is good.
Yeah.
That is very good. I like it. What did they do down there, though?
It's a conference about React JS.
Yeah. Did they tell you any stories when they came back? Like, you should have been there. We did this and that. Yeah.
They were very disappointed that I hadn't gone with them.
Yeah. That was kind of the thing. They went down there to be with you.
I don't know about that. But...
That's cool. I like it.
But it's a good coffee mug. It's my favorite.
Yeah. Okay.
It's nice.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's not cheesy.
Cheers.
It looks nice.
This is also from a conference, by the way.
Is it?
Yeah. Mobile era.
It's funny because I rarely work with React anymore.
Yeah.
That I'm just working with Java nowadays, most of the time.
But when you come back, React will be ready for you.
I hope so.
Yeah. React never forgets, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. But this is you're doing data now at work, and this is data.
Yep.
You had a question which I already forgot.
Where are the images, man?
Yes, there was something like that maybe. So this is graphical. You see there's an eye here. No, I can't make it blue. Okay, Explorer. I usually go to the Explorer. Oh. Why are you so small? How does it look on the screen? It looks okay. Okay, so sorry about that. No, that you didn't even see it. Okay, so yeah, we're inside All Sanity Pizza here. And then we're inside nodes. And I clicked on the name, which is internal. No, it's not internal. Internal is something else. So I clicked on the name, and I actually think that to get the images, this is a problem. Because the course I'm doing with Vespos, graphical, yeah. The course I'm doing with Vespos is not old, but there's been a lot happening with Gatsby since that time. And with Sanity, they've been working their butts off updating stuff. So the image and the image handling, there's a lot of image. But you see here, Sanity image assets.
No, I can't see it because the comment is on top of it.
Oh, good work, Tom-Erik.
Sanity
image asset.
Okay.
I don't want to go in there yet because I don't know what I'm doing in there, and it's a bit confusing
and scary, maybe.
Yeah, but what we do have, which Vespos is using here, which I know works, which we can do, is slug.
Okay.
Currents. Let's do that.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
So that's how you can find the pizza in the browser.
No, that was stupid of me. This is not good. Oh, somebody sent me a message. I've been secretly messaging with MartinG while you were getting coffee.
What?
I said to him, I need to translate. I should have put this up on screen. It's just a violation of privacy, but I should have done it. But I'll read it in English instead. I'll tell him. Jeg leser meldinga di. Jeg Lesemeldingas. Yeah, I saw. He said, sorry, he said, I just came home. Sorry. 1.5 weeks left, and then the redecoration of the house
I told you.
is done.
I told you. He's renovating.
You did, but you also
Yes.
told me on Sunday, didn't you say, Tom Eric, that he's told you he was only going to do it a week? No, what did you say?
No, that wasn't me. If he says 1.5 week, so I think when did they buy the house? This has to be like a month ago at least. Maybe even
remember
more
when
than
they
that.
bought it.
Maybe
Yeah,
2 months ago.
He because we had a date. He was going to look at my code, and then he was like, "No, we're getting the keys today." And I was like, "Okay."
That's a long time ago.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
I'll keep
Let's
reading.
look at the slugs.
I'll keep reading here. I say, so he said that. Sorry, well, just 1.5 weeks again. That means I'm lying in Norwegian when you do your fingers like that. And then the pussing is done, and we can move in. And then I said,
Okay.
come into the link I sent you and join us on the live stream. Tom, Eric, and me, we're on YouTube now. And Benedict and Inesa is watching. And then he says, oh no, not a good time. Yeah. And then I said, I'm reading it.
It's not a good time.
Okay, I'll tell him that he can watch us then.
He just got home. Oh, okay. So it's late. It's in the evening there. He's going to watch Netflix.
No, he told me 10 would be a good time. That's why we're doing it now.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
So good thing you showed up, or else I'd be all on my own with Benedict here. Huh? Yes.
There would be no show.
Yeah, I probably would have done it anyway because, So this here slug thing, sorry about that. That was not smart of me. That was stupid. Let's do something more stupid then. Since you're doing it, I told you I wouldn't do it, so I'll do it anyway. Sanity image assets.
Okay.
As you see, there's lots of stuff in here. I have no clue.
Image data. Original file name.
Yeah, do you see something you like?
No. Not
That's
really.
almost
Gatsby image data, maybe?
No, that's not good, but let's look at it.
Oh. No good. Source.
Source. Do you see source?
Path. Oh, there you go. Path.
Source is good. Where is path?
Or URL. Source URL, path. No, that's not good. Source URL, maybe. Or just URL. Oh, it's a string. That's why you have all the weird things. Just use the URL, maybe.
I want this to be a little smaller. Oh, sorry.
Not that small.
You say don't do the path. It's just a string. So that means that we have it down here then.
Yeah, URL. It should be URL.
You see a URL down here now?
Yeah, at the bottom.
At the bottom, of course, it's URL. But what about this source thing here then?
I don't know about that.
Source
it also
URL.
has a URL. Source URL, I don't know what that is. Just try URL.
I just want to take away the slug current because that's no good. Okay, so we're actually doing two. We're doing two queries here. We don't need that. We don't want that.
Oh, hang on. Okay, so you're now going to get a list. No. We just got one.
That's evil.
Why did you just get one?
Maybe it's all sanity. All sanity image. Didn't I do that?
No.
Didn't I? No?
No, you just had...
Yes, you're right, because we got nodes here.
There you go. That's the one you want.
Did you say URL?
Yeah.
Pretty fine. Oh, here we go.
No. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. So this is it. Oh, look! Didn't it just show up a photo here?
Yeah.
I saw it. What did I do? How did I get that to happen? I don't know. What happens if I do like this then? Can I just look at it in my browser? You think so?
Probably. Oh,
Do you see
there,
my browser?
there was.
You see
It
that
happened
pizza?
again. Go back to the graphical.
No, I just did it. Look at this. It's the pizza.
I can see the pizza. But
So that means that you're right. Where are the images? Oh, yeah. And by the way, I don't know what that is. So as you can see, yes, we can get them. We can get the images, but
okay, it's good to know.
Yeah, it's good to know. So, but we're not doing it. We're not doing that yet.
Okay.
But you wanted that to do that sometime around Christmas.
Yeah, I just wanted to understand where the images went
That's very good.
and how they're related to sharks and gingerbreads.
That's right.
Which I still don't completely understand.
Well, you're not alone. But I have some good news then.
Okay.
Oh, let's not drop that ball yet. Can I just take a break and see what MartinG is trying to tell me here?
Okay.
Martin message you. He says, "What's on your head?" That is amazing, Martin.
So he's actually watching the
I don't know.
stream?
What do you think?
How else would he know what's on your head?
Martin, if you're watching us, you must write a comment in English so I can put your comment up on the stream like this, or
it's not a good time to be on the stream, but it's a good time to watch it.
Yes.
No, Martin.
It's always a good time to watch our streams, Tom Eric. Come on.
That's true.
Okay. So we found the images. So you are right. It's a great question. It's a great question, and that is what we're doing here, and that's the difference between what we did in 2019 on the island in Sweden, and this time. I just need to adjust my camera a little so I don't have to bend down. Okay. Because what we want is for Lillian to put her images. Do I have a box? Yeah, here's a box. Let's say that this is, what do you call it? Sanity. So before this, you had to just make your own thing and put all your images into GitHub and stuff like that. But I want Lillian to be able to just like take an image. Oh, sorry. There you go. This is a nail on a finger. I don't remember what it means. Take an image, put it into Sanity, and then I want it to come here into our thing. What do you think about that? Was that just confusing?
Yes.
Okay. Where are the images now? They're inside the box in Sanity. So I want Lillian to be able to put images into Sanity, and then I can come, or my Gatsby site can come and get the images out.
Okay.
And that's what we try to do now. We try to find them inside Sanity in the graphical thing.
Yes.
So we have Sanity here, and then we have graphical in between. Sorry, graphical, you're the cell phone now. And then Gatsby is getting it. No, this is Gatsby, by the way. Gatsby is getting it from graphical. So yes, we will make it work because it's not as hard as it sounds now. It's a little hard to talk about it, but it's pretty easy to do. And we're not doing it now though, because that's too crazy. But that is what I'm showing here. Is basically, yeah, I am getting this name out of Sanity.
Yeah.
The pizza name. And if I can get out the name, then I can also get that little source thing that we saw where the pizza image is. So yeah, we can do it. The name here, and we have one name for each node. What would you say a node is, Tom Eric?
So if you think of this as a graph where you have things that are related to other things, then the nodes are the things, and the relation is like an arrow between the things. So that's
Yes.
the nodes are just the things in the graph. That's
Yes.
how GraphQL works.
But is a node the image and the name, or is the name of that pizza and the image its own nodes?
So each shark in this case would be a node
Yes,
in the graph.
that is great. So here's the shark here. We're making one shark for each pizza, and here they are. Here's one shark. Cluck Norris is my favorite shark, and he's got one image. Do you remember?
Yeah.
It's the pizza with the ketchup on it, which is actually blood. Yeah. yeah. Okay, so that's we're doing that now, and I have some good news because we actually have pages. No, do we? No, we don't have pages yet. Yeah, we haven't
There's
created.
no pages. I don't understand where you get the pages.
Yeah, it's going to come here instead of the console log. We're going to have a page.
Uh-huh. So are you
then,
doing that now?
No.
Oh.
Do you want to?
I guess we're running out of time.
We shouldn't do it.
Yeah.
So let me sum up this. Yeah. The next step here is to make pages, and it's not that hard. People can try at home. So I can sum up what we've done. I'll just close that. Okay, so we started here at 0 with this hook here, the create pages hook, and then I made a little function. Use this hook. Pirates, use your hook. And inside there, I skipped this step here, which people can look into if they want to. That's step 1, the pizza template step. Skip it. And then step 2 is the data. So here I'm getting data. GraphQL is helping me get data out of Sanity. I'm just getting the name, but yeah, Tomeric, we can also get the
image.
The image, because what we're going to do is, like you showed us, we can get the source, and then when Gatsby has the source, Gatsby will get the images for us and put them into the build, so that we're actually building the images into the site when we're doing the build here for each shark. So that's what we're going to do sometime before Christmas. But now we're just sorry about that. We're just getting the name for each shark. Yeah.
Yes.
That's step
3.
Okay,
great.
Yeah, that's step 3. So step 4 here is you're basically pulling the sharks out of the hat. Sorry about the little rabbit. It's a shark. Oh no, I can't get it. So I'll get the shark here. It's pulling sharks out of the hat, and the hat is maybe GraphQL then, and
sure.
They can get that the GraphQL can get data from them anywhere they like. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. And Martin never wrote a comment, but he was watching.
Oh, really?
Don't you think he said what's on your head? He must have watched.
Hi, Martin.
No, I think he's gone now.
Oh.
Don't you also think so?
I don't know.
So
yeah. Okay.
Yeah. No, we can't leave yet.
Oh.
When are we back, Tomeric?
Sunday.
Yes.
8 p.m.
Yes.
Central European time.
Yes. I'll drink to that.
20.
Cheers. You must say take your coffee up.
Take your coffee up.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. Did you like my song? Do you think we should have that song? Or what? Let's do it. Yeah. I'll just take off my gloves so it's easier to make the song. Okay.
Do the song.
All right. I was really quick there. I should remove the code too. I'll take away the code. Sorry about that. Okay. But I must just get to the start.
La, 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 la.
Okay, here it comes. This has been another skill building treasure hunt podcast for pirate devs and daughters. That was not very good. I'll do it again. Okay. This has been another skill building treasure hunt podcast with pirate devs. Damn, it doesn't work. I'll do it again. It's a bit too fast for me, isn't it?
Well, you're controlling it.
This has been another skill building treasure hunt podcast for pirate devs and daughters. That's doing data. Yeah.
So you can practice that.
I probably won't. Okay. See you Sunday. We must wave awkwardly. Oh,
Bye.
I can't reach the button. There it is.